Hello Year 2 mathematicians, I'm back again with the next series of videos, and in these videos we're going to be looking at our number bonds to 10, 20 and 100. So we're going to do that over the next few days, and in Year 2 we need to know these really fluently. That means we need to know them off by heart, and if I ask you about a number bond you need to be able to tell me just like this really quickly, because if we know our number bonds then when it comes to trickier maths it won't take us as long to work things out. Okay, so today we're going to focus on our number bonds to 10. Now number bonds are really interesting things because they're kind of like friends. So a bond, the word bond just means relationship. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean. If we have, we've got 10 fingers all together and we've got 5 fingers in each hand. So I'm going to put fingers down. So I put 4 fingers down. I know I have 10 all together. What do I need to add to my 4 to get 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that 4 and 6 are friends. They're a number bond that makes 10. Okay. I can also write that number sentence in a different order. And it doesn't matter which order I write these in because they're friends. Okay, so I can put the 6 first or the 4 first, but it still gives us the same answer. So this is called a number fact and a number addition fact to 10 because it's an adding sentence. But we can also see this sentence as a subtraction fact. Now when you take away, the big number always has to come first. So I'm going to choose one of those numbers. I'm going to choose my 6. So if we have, let's try this and see if it works. If I have 10 fingers all together and I take 6 of them away, 5, 6 away, how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now have a look at that. That's quite cool. I've got my addition fact that gives me 10. But here I have my subtraction fact as well. We start with a bigger number. 10 take away 6 gives me, look, 4. So we know that, and we can also write 10 take away 4 gives us 6. So that's an addition and a subtraction fact for 4 and 6 who are friends, and they make 10. Let's have a look at some of our other number bonds to 10. And I wanted to show you a really lovely rainbow that can help us. Now we've put this on the website for you, so even if you can't print it out you can still have a look at it if you click on the link. I love this because it shows us our number bonds here in the form of a rainbow. So if you look at the red stripe, we've got 0 at this end and 10 at this end, and that tells me that 0 and 10 are friends. Okay, so if I add 0 to 10, 0 add 10 gives me 10. If I add 1 and then I add 9 to my 1, I get 10. So 9 and 1, they're friends. And you see it's round the other way, so I can do 1 add 9 is 10, or I can do 9 add 1 is 10. Doesn't matter which way these go because they're both adding. 2 and 8, that's the yellow one, they're friends and they make 10. But I can also write the sentence as 8 add 2. 3 and 7, 7 and 3. They're also friends, they go together to make the answer 10. 4 and 6, we've had a look at that, and 5 add 5. We can also say double 5. Double just means we add that number again. So 5 and 5 is 10. Fantastic. This shows us our addition facts to 10, which we really want you to focus on today, but I've also shown you the trickier bit, which is the subtraction facts as well. Now, on the website, you should have a special task that you're going to do. This is a little bit small, so I hope you can see this. I'm just going to bring this up to show you this. So, you have some numbers on this side and then you have a missing number But your answer will always be 10 because we're looking at our number facts to 10, okay? So we want you to have a go at this. Write out the whole number sentence on a piece of paper or on JIT5. So the number 1 would say 10 adds something equals 10. You would write what the number is. And if you can't remember what you would add, you can count the dots on here to help you, or use your fingers, or use your rainbow chart that we're also putting on the website. Okay, so that's your first task. If that's enough for you, that's fine. But if you would like an extra challenge, there are also some cards, an extra challenge task, okay? This is one of the tasks from there. You should have 4 tasks on this. It says a bar of chocolate has 10 chunks. Joe eats 8 chunks. How many chunks are left? Now you have to think about this one carefully. Is this an adding sentence or a subtraction sentence? If you start off with 10 chunks altogether and then you eat 8 of them, you're going to have to take away 8. So your sentence will read 10, take away 8. Now if you know your addition facts to 20, or your number ones to, not to 20, to 10, then you should already know the answer. But if you don't, you can work it out with your fingers. 10 take away 8. How many chunks are left? You write it down. So for these ones, can you just write the number sentences, like the sums, on a piece of paper or on JIT5? You don't have to write any of the words out. You can just write the numbers that you're doing. Okay, I hope you get on okay. Thanks for watching.